Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to create iOS app using AI. That is to create a user list app which contains two screens. One is user list screen and another one is user detail screen. So once we are clicking the particular user, it will go to the user detail screen, and we are going to load the data from the JSON. So first we are going to use the Cursor editor for this. Cursor is nothing but AI powered code editor. It helps developer to write, edit, debug and understand code faster using AI. So I have already installed Cursor. If you haven't installed it, please use this website and click the download button and install the Cursor. I am going to open the Cursor software. Then log in with your account. Click yes. Open Cursor. Okay, this is the Cursor window. Now we have to create Xcode project. Open Xcode, click create new project and click iOS app and give the project name user list and give the interface as user Swift UI, language as Swift, and click next and create the project. As I told you earlier, I am going to load the data from the JSON. For that, just drag and drop. So we have JSON here which contains 5 user data. Then go to the Cursor, then click editor window, then open project, open the just created project, so we have files which I have in the Xcode project, and this is the AI chat window. We have to give prompt here. So I have already created prompt for the app. First we have to attach the reference design images. So first attached image is user list screen and second is user detail screen. Then we have to paste the prompt. So I will explain the prompt. Create iOS app with the following requirement. Requirement is use attached first image for the user list screen, use attached second image for the user detail screen, and load user info from the user info JSON. And flow should be like user list screen and next user detail screen. Use the architecture MVVM, and if you want we can give the folder structure or those things. Just for now I am giving these informations. Then click send button. So now AI will analyze the project and started to generate the code. we'll wait for the code generation. Now we have to run the project. Go to the Xcode and run the project, and we can see here AI generated models, services, utilities and view models. I'm just running the project. So we can see here if we have a user list screen which have 5 user information, and when we are clicking the particular user, it is moving to the user detail screen which has a first name, last name, email, date of birth and address. So data is loaded from the JSON. Thanks for watching this video.